Where has India's first biosphere reserve been created recently within a tiger reserve? Answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Friends, you know the capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun and summer capital is Gairsand. Who has been sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Answer is option D, Chandrababu Naidu. Friends, the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad. Telugu Desam Party Chief N. Chandrababu Naidu has taken oath as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh for his fourth term. Jan Sena Party President Pawan Kalyan has taken oath as Deputy CM. Let us tell you that along with Naidu, 24 others leaders have taken oath as ministers. Who has been named as the next chief of the Indian Army? Answer is option D, Upendra Dwivedi. Recently, the first Command and Control Compatibility Board meeting has been held between India and which country? Answer is option C, America. Friends, if we understand in detail, the first Command and Control Compatibility Board meeting for 2024 between India and the US has been held in New Delhi. This is the seventh meeting to measure, strengthen and achieve continued progress in the bilateral defense partnership between the two countries. Who has been sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Odisha? Answer is option A, Mohan Charan Majhi. Friends, you know the capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. The maritime exercise GMAX 24 held in June 2024 was between the navies of which countries? Answer is option C, India and Japan. Friends, Japan India Maritime Exercise ZMAX 24 began on 11 June 2024 in Yokosuka, Japan. Carlos Alcaraz is the player of which country who has won the title of French Open 2024? Answer is option B, Spain. Friends, Spanish star tennis player Carlos Alcaraz has won the French Open 2024 title. Alcaraz won the singles title by defeating Alexander Zverev in the final at Roland Garros in Paris. Who has been recently appointed as the Director of Rural Development Department? Answer is option B, Raj Priya Singh. Friends, Raj Priya Singh, a 2010 batch Indian Forest Service officer, has been appointed as Director in the Department of Rural Development, Ministry of Rural Development. Where is the G7 Summit 2024 being held? Answer is option D, Italy. Friends, the G7 Group 7 Summit is being held in Italy. The G7 is an intergovernmental political and economic forum which includes France, Germany, Italy, Japan, the United Kingdom, and the United States. The G7 was established in 1975. What is India's rank in the Global Gender Gap Index 2024? Answer is option A, 129. Friends, the World Economic Forum has recently published the Global Gender Gap Report 2024. In this, India has reached the 129th position out of 146 countries. Nearly 40 Indians died and 50 were injured in a fire at a worker housing facility in which country on June 12, 2024? Answer is option C, Kuwait. Who recently released the Container Port Performance Index? Answer is option B, World Bank. Pema Khandu has been sworn in as the Chief Minister of which state? Answer is option D, Arunachal Pradesh. Friends, the capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Friends, Pema Khandu took oath as the Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh for the third consecutive time. He was recently elected the leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party's legislative party. Governor Lieutenant General retired K.T. Parnayak administered the oath to him at a ceremony. Who took oath as the Chief Minister of Sikkim for the second consecutive time on June 10, 2024? Answer is option C, Prem Singh Tamang. Friends, Sikkim Krantikari Morcha SKM President Prem Singh Tamang took oath as the Chief Minister of Sikkim for the second consecutive term on June 10, 2024. The swearing-in ceremony took place at the Paljor Stadium in Gangtok, where Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya administered the oath of office and secrecy. Narendra Modi took oath as the PM of India for the third consecutive time. He won from which Lok Sabha constituency? Answer is option A, Varanasi. How many former chief ministers are included in the Modi cabinet this time? Answer is option C, 6. Friends, this time 6 former chief ministers are included in the PM Modi's cabinet. 4 of these former chief ministers are from the Bharatiya Janata Party, while Kumar Swamy represents the Janata Dal Secular and Manjhi represents the Hindustani Awam Morcha. Shivraj Singh Chauhan from Madhya Pradesh, Rajnath Singh from UP Uttar Pradesh, Manohar Lal Khattar from Haryana and Sarvanand Sonowal from Assam are included from the BJP. Iga Swiatek, who won the French Open 2024 women's title, is a player from which country? Answer is option B, Poland. Friends, Poland's Iga Swiatek has won the women's singles title at the French Open 2024. Iga defeated Jasmine Paolini of Italy in the final match. This was Iga Swiatek's 4th French Open and 5th Grand Slam title overall. Which country has recently been added by the UN to the global list of criminals committing crimes against children? Answer is option D, Israel. The Indian Army recommended major changes in the Agnipath plan. In which year was it launched? Answer is option C, 2022. Who has been selected for EY World Entrepreneur of the Year 2024? Answer is option A, Villayan Subbaiah.